My name is Ankur Agrawal. I have a company, PuneRealty.in. Been now almost 10 years. We have completed working as a channel partner for all the business associates you can call with all the A-listers operating in Pune. Since I stay in Bavdan, so I am pretty much familiar, with the vicinity, the advantages which this Bavdan location, especially this project, has to offer. It's a very unique project in terms of the market, what other builders are offering, in terms of the carpet area, in terms of the lifestyle, in terms of the connectivity. It's basically city within the city, and it's very approachable to the major location of West Pune. But over here, since this is a city within the city, internal roads been taken care. Your CCTV cameras been taken care. Pool they have already planned within the township. Hospital they have planned within the township. Apart from this big A-grade commercial, they have the plan along with the big brands of restaurants and the cafes and all those things they have planned inside the township as well. So if you ask me, this is something which is very unique and which is very limited. Market may have to offer 10 different projects, but when it comes to Shahpurji Vana, they are selling basically exclusivity. Come and just visit the project in the monsoon, and they will realize what Shahpurji Palanji is offering. And again, word of mouth is fabulous over here. The referral business, each and every, I'm sure, channel partner must have got it. So when it comes to the communication, when it comes to the regular updates and the communication, from Shahpurji side, it's always on time. And it's both ways. So if I have got certain question or queries and client is asking for something, so they are pretty much, very open and happy to, take their question and reply to them accordingly. If I am taking any assignment, so first as a buyer, I try and perceive that project. How as a buyer I am feeling about it. So if I am convinced as a buyer, if I have to put my money, whether I will put it or no, and if answer is yes, then obviously it means I am convinced about the project. And that happens when you have the correct info and all the info with you. If you are in business, you want a good professional builder who's committed to deliver the project in time, who's committed to deliver what he has committed to the buyer when it comes to the amenities and all the things. Secondly, your client will be happy. After coming here, buying over here with Shahpurji, your client will be happy, will be at peace. कि शाहपुरजी में लिया है मैंने, अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट है, टाउनशिप है, बिल्डर रेपुटेड है. सो फॉर द चैनल पार्टनर दैट विल अगेन बी अ एडेड एडवांटेज कि व्हेन योर क्लाइंट इज हैप्पी ना, दे विल गिव यू बिजनेस.